so the easiest part of the assignment to sort of qualify that was the write up for me. Writing the actual HTML5 was the easiest thing and has been since the get go for me. The most difficult thing I think was I think myself and getting in my way. Insofar as like I think because of the fact that it's online or just because of my own head, I tend to overthink things, and I probably could have gotten. I probably was done with the assignment a lot sooner than I thought, and wound up just sort of nickel and diming myself out of being valid into not being valid anymore because I was just like one more thing, one more thing, one more thing, and instead of I let the perfect be the enemy of the good, so to speak, and so where I was had completed the necessary parts of the assignment well early, trying to go for broke, I ended up breaking my code and then having to go back and spend more time debugging than I did actually writing the code to begin with, which is a story of me in this program sometimes, and I just kind of have to get over that and get more organized and once know that I can get something done properly and not seek for I don't know Da Vinci award or something for code writing. Um, Information from previous courses that I used for this project was, I used the VFW videos, which I think was also, in a weird way, not necessarily beneficial because I was thinking I needed to do all of the code for the entire, VFW CRUD again, which was not necessarily what I had to do in order to get the assignment done. It certainly would have, been extra credit, but to try to completely refactor jQuery code from regular JavaScript when I don't even know JavaScript that well is crazy. And if all I needed to do was to show some same field, errors and do some validation, then that's what I needed to concentrate on. And so I did a lot of research, but it didn't really help me with regards to some of the older classes. But it did, it did help me in the long run. But I did spend a lot of time and information from previous courses trying to finish the project. With regards to the information that I researched to complete the project, well, I was, I researched. I wanted to find a really good calendar app. I also wanted to find an app or a plugin or some kind of framework that allowed me to do the structured number inputs, like the 3 by 4, I guess it is, or what have you, number format for phone numbers. But I couldn't find them. But I did find a wonderful and really cool looking calendar plugin for jQuery Mobile. That's actually the jQuery UI plugin. What am I doing here? The jQuery UI plugin, which is really cool, and it allows you to use that plugin. So instead of just having it being stuck with the UI, you can use it if you call the right information. And as you can see right here, it pops up wonderfully. You have a nice little, which allows you to also jump to the present day, which I thought was kind of a nice little kick there. So I stuck that in there, especially for a project that might be due soon. It kind of plays well. So I got up to today, and boom, I'm right there today. Right now, it's 22nd. Everything else checks out with regards to the how everything is designed here. It was meant to have first name. I type my first name in, and boop, I get to use the text clear button. It contains both a text clear button, a input prompt, as well as a input hint, all in one, and every single input from the first to the second to the email, which is the same thing, to the phone number. And if you can see, a phone number thing actually pops up, so that you actually need to use the number. As well, I used, instead of just a normal kind of throwaway select option menu, I went with something a little, went with the actual non-native usage one. So I kind of really did a lot of research here to make it all work together. Same thing with my other select button, and including up to the modal which displays the errors. Now, I could have been better. I could have added some red here, but I was kind of at that point running into the issues of internet connectivity and connecting with a server. Well, without further ado, guys, that's my app. That's my code this week. I look forward to having more time and more headspace next week. And thank you.